Welcome to Toon TV Adventure. Once upon a time, a clever fox stopped a crow sitting atop a tree branch. The crow held a tasty piece of cheese in its beak. The fox, wanting to have the cheese for himself, thought of a cunning plan. He flattered the crow, sang how beautiful its voice was, and asked if it could sing for him. Flattered, the crow opened its beak to sing. As the crow gave, the cheese fell from its beak. The fox quickly grabbed it and ran away, leaving the crow feeling tricked and foolish. Moral: beware of flattery, as it may cloud your judgment and lead to a loss.
हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहने के लिए लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा और हमारी नई आने वाली वीडियो को हासिल करने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए। शुक्रिया।